Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to turn on or off Play Protect on Play Store. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Play Store. You can see over here Google Play Store has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now at the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find your profile icon. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find several options. Find the option for Play Protect and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the Play Protect interface. Right now you can see over here Play Protect is not turned on for me. So if you want to turn it on, you can simply tap on the option turn on that you can see right over here. Or alternatively, you can also tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the Play Protect settings over here. Over here you'll be able to find the section for general. You'll be able to find the option scan apps with Play Protect. So simply toggle this button on. Now after that the Play Protect will be turned on. You can see over here the Play Protect has been turned on. Likewise, if you want to turn it off, simply tap on the gear icon again. Now simply toggle off the button right next to the option scan apps with Play Protect. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. You can either pause the Play Protect or you can turn it off. So simply tap on the option turn off. Authenticate with your PIN or password. Now you can see over here the Play Protect has been turned off. So that is how you turn on or off Play Protect on Play Store. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.